You are the masterpiece of your own creativity. Embrace it. Stepping into uncharted territories, always believe that, yes, I can. Each time you watch a video on this channel, you contribute to reforesting and children's education.
Hello, aspiring animators. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Deepmotion AI. This cutting-edge technology is all about revolutionizing the way we create 3D animations. Get ready to embark on a thrilling 10 minutes tutorial mode and learn how to leverage Deepmotion AI to bring your characters to life like never before. Alright, let's get started with creating your Deepmotion account. Don't waste any time, click on the link I've provided in the description. Hit that exhilarating sign up button. Fill in your details. For the most convenient source, choose YouTube. Now, let's move. Confirm your account through your email. Set up strong password and security question. Click on Go to Portal on top right corner. Now head over to the Portal tab to log into your account. Prepare to be blown away as we delve into the world of animated 3D. Get ready to create your very own 3D avatar. The adrenaline's pumping, so let's dive into the 3D model section and start building. Choose the stylized avatar option. And pick the body type that resonates with your innermost desires. Capture the essence of your true self by uploading a picture or taking one, or if you're feeling daring, continue without a photo. It's all about unleashing your creativity. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for. Take charge and give your 3D avatar the makeover it deserves. It's time to unleash your artistic flair and customize its appearance just the way you envision. Step into the next window and decide whether you want to receive your model by email or just continue without it. Name your unique creation and hit that save button. This is where your creativity shines. Model now completed. Camera, action. Create your movie. The excitement builds up as we reach the climax. Click on the Create Animation button and upload your video. Rename your video file and save. The animated output to match your preferences. Enable Enable video output as an electrifying MP4 and cinematic mode. Click Create button and start rendering. That OK button to unleash your AI-powered movie. Wow, it's amazing. You can change camera angle moving your cursor while holding your right-click button of your own mouse. Click on Download button down below and keep in mind to select MP4 output format.
Now let's set the stage for your epic creation. Check out Canva, come through the link I've provided and pick any background that sets your heart racing. When you found the perfect backdrop, hit the share button and download the video. Don't forget to adjust the output quality for maximum impact. Alternatively, if you're in a rush, you can choose from the sample backgrounds provided by your video editing software. It's all about crafting your masterpiece with the tools you love. Remember, this is where your dreams become reality. Finally, your character is alive. Congratulations, you've done it. You've brought Bruce Lee back to life in your unique way, so raise a toast and cheer, because you've just unlocked a new level of creativity. Remember to keep practicing and exploring the possibilities of Deepmotion AI to unlock its full potential. Who knows? Your next animation project might become a masterpiece.
And that's a wrap for today's DIY adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning, creating, and exploring with us. Before we go, we want to express our sincere gratitude to all our amazing viewers and subscribers. Your support and enthusiasm fuel our passion for sharing the joy of DIY. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update on the latest DIY trends and projects. Remember, the power to create is in your hands. We encourage you to keep experimenting, trying new things, and pushing your creative boundaries. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to leave your comments, questions, and suggestions down below. Your feedback helps us improve and cater to your DIY needs. Thank you once again for being part of our incredible DIY community. Together, let's continue to inspire, create, and make the world a more beautiful and personalized place, one DIY project at a time. Until next time, bye-bye.